Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Glad to see you here today, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, the button is just right down there. So anyway, today I've just finished up my work week and I want to make a video on my desk setup for 2022. This is the place where I spend 80+% of my time during the week. And I spend some of the time on the weekend here when I'm editing videos or doing family home stuff where I have to do it on the computer. This is where I'm most productive. You know, my office and where my normal job is nice, but I haven't had to work in it in 2.5 years. That's why I made this space to be my productive area, my refuge, if you were to say. And one of the things when you go to build out your office, if you want to be a productive person, it needs to be something that's comfortable, somewhere where you feel good, it has things in it that you like. And because if it's not, you're not going to be there and you're not going to feel good. Trying to say, I have things in here that I like. You know, I have pictures on the wall, I have pictures here, I have certain electronic items, I have a work area behind me, and it all just makes me feel comfortable. So let's take off here and show you what I got. And it's not expensive stuff, it's not anything to break the bank. I have been conservative about things and found bargains where I could find bargains, you know. But everything here makes me more productive. So let me show you. And first, we'll start off with the desk. Okay, the desk I have is an Aukey Carlby countertop. It's 74 inches by 30 inches. I have it attached to a set of dual motor Vivo legs. They have a control panel, 3 presets, timer, very smooth operation, 275 pound capacity. I have a Sigma wire tray underneath to keep the wires up. Not as neat as I want it, but it works very well. The desk is the cornerstone of the whole thing. Now my chair is nothing special. I've had it for probably 8 or 9 years. Found it at Office Depot on special, but it's a bigger chair and it fits me. Leans back a little bit. It's got good support, armrest. I have replaced the cylinder in it one time because I guess holding my weight up is hard on it. So here it is right here, and it's just a standard office chair. I would love to have a nicer chair, but I'm cheap. I'll rock this one till I can't anymore. Alright, so my computer. It is the powerhouse. It's the thing that makes things work. During the week, I don't have my Mac. Well, I do have it, but I can't use it. So during the week, I have a Dell. So this is a developer laptop. It's 14-inch Latitude, i7, 16 gigs, NVMe drive. Nothing special. I mean, it runs every day. It runs all of our stuff, Visual Studio, SQL Server, all the IoT stuff I do. This is my 8 to 5. So the machine that I really enjoy is my M1 MacBook Air 2020 model. I've got it spec'd out with a terabyte drive, 16 gigs of RAM, 7-core GPU. I didn't need the 8-core. But this thing, it powers through 4K video. It powers through everything. It runs virtual machines. It does IoT stuff. It does everything. That's why I bought my wife one. We got my mother-in-law one. I mean, it's a perfect machine. They've just come out with the new M2 model, and if it's any better than this, I just throw my hands in the air. So here is my laptop that powers all this. Now for the accessories. All the little other things that go along with this system. First off, I'm going to show you that I have it hooked to an Anker dock. It's a small, inexpensive dock, but it has all the ports that I need to power this. I've got a 90-watt charger. It's got SD card, micro SD card, HDMI, USB-C, USB-A. It's got everything. Very inexpensive, and it powers everything with one cable. And connected to this is a HS2722 Dell monitor. It's 1080p, but it's 27 inches. 75 hertz refresh. It's a really nice monitor, really clear. I think it's got 350 or 400 nits brightness. You know, it's not 4K. It's not a studio display or anything, but it does well for what I do. And maybe one of these days I can upgrade to a 4K high-end monitor. But right now this is good. It's on an Amazon Basic ARM. My laptop is on a human-centric laptop shelf that's attached to a monitor arm. And it all fits very well here. Even the Dell fits on it good. This shelf fits whatever size laptop you want to put on it. You could probably fit a tablet too, I'm not sure. But that's the monitor. Next up, I have several ways to listen to audio. I have my Audio-Technica noise canceling headset. I use it when I'm trying to hone in on my videos or whatever. I have my AirPods, second generation. They work great. Fit in my ears good. That's the biggest part. If you can find a set of earbuds that fit in your ear, doesn't hurt your ears, and are clear. And I have a set of Dell standard stereo speakers on the desk for like meetings and whatnot. They work great. Keyboard and mouse. I have the Logitech MX Keys keyboard, the Windows Mac combination. Best keyboard I've ever owned. You can type on it all day, your fingers don't hurt. Mouse, best mouse I've ever had, MX Master3 from Logitech. Battery life on both, phenomenal. And the experience, I mean, your hands don't hurt at the end of the day, especially a long day. Works great. I have a newer MW7000 studio microphone that I use for my Teams meetings and Zoom calls and whatnot. I have a face light, my Aukey 1080 webcam, and I have a desk shelf from Samdi. It looks like a Grove Made. It's not. It's a quarter of the price. And I have my plant. So everything here, I have an LED light strip. I mean, I have a lot of other little things. I have pictures and stuff that make it all comfortable. I have a little sand art thing that my wife made. Pictures of the kids. Pictures of the dogs around here. One of the things I really love about this, I can outfit this room and this area to however I want it. I got pictures of my son, things from work. Over here, I'll take a picture of that. But anyway, this is my desk setup for 2022. Unless something crazy happens, I'm going to keep it just like this because, man, I can rock on this thing all day and it's just a great place to be. I enjoy it. I hope to goodness they don't ever say, you got to go back to the office because I'm going to be miserable. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm going to have a link to everything in the description and everything here. I forgot to mention my iPad Pro 12.9 is here on the desk for personal emails and music and whatnot. But if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. Be a link in the description on everything I got here. There is a video on everything I've got here. But this is my place. And I hope you enjoy it. Hope you get something from it. If you got a question, ask it. I'll answer. Anyway, hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. Not spending any gas money. Gonna sit here at home and make videos. Anyway, thanks for watching.